Hey team, I'd like to introduce you to Butch Cromray. He is actually the bike builder of this bad boy, and yeah, he's going to fill us in on a little bit of the details. Take it away, Butch.
Okay, basically, folks, it's the driveline is a 2007 lowrider, Dyna lowrider setup. The frame is a Rolling Thunder custom frame built for this bike. The whole driveline. Well, the tires and wheels are off of 2011, only 22,000 kilometers on that. Front end, all that off of there. And then I fabricated the seat. I can build seats. As you can see, there's some parts you can see, but most of it's that I had to add on is all new. There's builds for it. New Dakota digital. And it started at 0 from 37,000 kilometers. So it's got what on it now?
4,900,
I'll
yeah. Put
4,900 kilometers on it. And also I got my first speeding ticket in my life with this. It is very light, easy to handle, comes with another seat if you want to use a Softail seat. It has another seat for it. But it runs good. I was told when I bought the driveline off one of my dealers in Ontario not to touch the motor because it works perfectly.
Did you want to fire it up for us?
Sure.
There you are, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.